Hello everyone and welcome to the video. So I would just like to ask all of you that send me emails on Gmail, Facebook and Twitter, and also write comments on YouTube sharing your journeys and experience with eye flutters, and also your reversal and your curing of eye flutters and the changes that you've seen in your vision, your eyesight, and obviously mainly the eye flutters. What I wanted to ask you is, do I have your permission to use them in future videos? So if you ever do share a success story with me, make sure at the end you actually say, feel free to use this in a video, because I want to make sure that I have your permission, because I've got this idea where I want to make videos not only that will showcase and share your success story, but then that will have a butterfly effect and motivate other people that are already on this journey and show them, hold on a minute, there is another way out. It's not just vitrectomy and laser vitrolysis. Let's try this natural method and approach. If this doesn't work, then maybe we'll consider laser vitrolysis. Thank you so much for all of the likes, comments and shares, and to every one of you that are subscribed, thank you so much. This channel is just growing and growing, and we're spreading awareness, and it's amazing, and I love you all. You're amazing, you're wonderful, and you're powerful, and together we are conquering this, and we are united. That's the main thing. We are united. Let me know all your thoughts and everything in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.